In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install Power BI Desktop on Windows. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to head to your web browser and search for Microsoft Power BI Desktop Download. Make sure to click on the official Microsoft website link, as this ensures you're getting the safest and most reliable version of the software. Once you are on the download page, you'll see an option to choose your preferred language. Go ahead and select your language, then click the download button. Now it's important to note that Power BI comes in different versions to accommodate various systems. If you're running a 64-bit version of Windows, you'll want to select the x64 version. If you're not sure, you can check this in your system settings. For those on a 32-bit system, you should choose the standard version. Once you've made your selection, the download will begin automatically. After the download finishes, it's time to locate the installer. You can do this by opening your Downloads folder. Inside, you should find a file with an .exe extension. This is the installation file. Simply double-click on that file to start the installation process. Next, you'll be greeted by the Setup Wizard. This wizard is designed to guide you through the installation step by step. You'll start by selecting your language again, followed by clicking Next to move forward. At this point, you will be presented with a license agreement. This is an important step. Make sure you read through the agreement carefully. Once you're ready, check the box to accept the agreement and then click Next again. Now, you'll reach the section where you can choose your installation folder. If you're okay with the default location, you can simply leave it as is. However, if you prefer a different folder for the installation, you can click on the Browse button to select your desired location. After choosing the folder, you'll also have the option to create a desktop shortcut. It's a nice feature that makes launching the application easier later on. Once you've made your decisions, go ahead and click the Install button to start the actual installation. Depending on your computer's speed and performance, this process might take a few minutes. So be patient while the software installs. The installation is complete. You'll see a confirmation screen. At this point, simply click on Finish. The application will launch automatically, and here's where the fun begins. Power BI Desktop will open, giving you a welcome screen where you can start connecting your data sources. Whether you're looking to build stunning reports or create insightful dashboards, you're now equipped to get started. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed Power BI Desktop on your Windows computer. I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to check out more of our videos for tips and tricks on how to make the most of Power BI.